Fitbit Charge 5 Advanced Health Tracker App. The pros, the cons. Most people think of Fitbit as just a step counter, but the Fitbit Charge 5 Advanced Health Tracker app is so much more. It's designed to monitor your health from every angle, combining fitness, recovery, and wellness insights into one sleek package. But does it live up to its promise? Let's break down the pros and cons. Starting with the pros. The Fitbit Charge 5 stands out for its accurate tracking and vibrant AMOLED display. It monitors steps, distance, heart rate, and sleep with impressive precision. But what really sets it apart are its advanced health metrics. You get stress management scores, skin temperature tracking, and even EKG readings to detect irregular heart rhythms. Another major pro is the Daily Readiness Score, a unique feature that tells you if your body is primed for exercise or needs rest. It takes into account your sleep, heart rate variability, and activity levels, helping you train smarter, not harder. The companion app is another win. It's intuitive, well-designed, and offers deep insights into your health data. With Fitbit Premium, you can unlock guided workouts, mindfulness sessions, and advanced analytics that help you understand your overall well-being. Now for the cons. While the Charge 5 is feature-rich, many advanced options are locked behind a paid subscription. Battery life, though decent at around a week, can drop quickly when using Geeks or always on display. Some users also find the touch screen less responsive during workouts. In conclusion, the Fitbit Charge 5 Advanced Health Tracker app delivers a near-perfect balance of style, substance, and smart features. It's ideal for anyone who wants a deeper understanding of their health without the bulk of a smartwatch. If you're looking for motivation, precision, and daily guidance toward a healthier lifestyle, Fitbit Charge 5 might just be your best fitness companion.